Shib Army, what's up? Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for all stopping by. Let's get into some Shiba Inu discussion right now because the whales are swimming yet again. I'm going to share with you guys exactly what's happening as 34 trillion SHIB are on the move. And let's get down into this video where we're going to talk Shiba Inu. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe right down below. Also, please remember, guys, not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence, okay? And the best way we're going to start off a crypto video, of course, is we're going to look into the price action for Shiba Inu. And right now, as we stare at it, that's where we're looking at the 15th crypto in total market cap. So we have looked at a 2.7% upswing on the day. But if we go back over the last week and month, it's been a little bit gloomy for Shiba Inu. And the big storyline that I want to share with you guys right now is when we look at SHIB and talk about SHIB, and I've told you guys this in previous videos, they have not made their move yet. Quite frankly, a lot of people are wondering why, okay? Well, we all know how SHIB is closely related to the Ethereum side of the game, and so ERC20 tokens, such as the likes of Shiba Inu, in my opinion, if ETH does get a big bump, we will see tokens like SHIB go on an outstanding run. And if you want to do some kind of past digging, go look at the historical graphs from 2021. Look at Shiba Inu's rise. Look what ETH did and kind of put it all in perspective, because this is kind of one where I think that SHIB is just waiting. And do not sleep on Shiba Inu, right? I know it's not sexy. It's not the boomer of the day. It's not going to give you 20% like Pepe did, as Pepe had an outstanding month leading up till today. But I want to share with you guys kind of why I still believe in SHIB. We've talked about it for years on this channel. Shiba Inu is a community, and it is a token that, quite frankly, I think got themselves into some trouble from a developer side of things. But now we're getting into the narrative where are community tokens headed to, okay? I think that when we look at the three OGs, and I'll add Pepe to that list, but it's Dogecoin, it's Shiba Inu. You know, we have thousands of meme coins now, okay? You look at Solana, you look at kind of what we're doing with Pump.Fun. The world of meme coins has evolved, right? Previously, it's always been Dogecoin, SHIB, okay? We flirted with Pepe, and that had some traction, okay? But the important thing to understand, guys, is if we are going to go to all-time highs for Shiba Inu, okay, we have not even hit the metrics and the correlative charts within the other altcoins, Bitcoin. It's not right now on par and schedule with where we need to be if SHIB was going to do that. So that's why we got to keep tracking it every single day, following what's going on, all things SHIB. But the important thing to understand, though, guys, is if you do believe in SHIB back in 2021, there's really no reason why you shouldn't, because right now it's just a diluted meme coin pool of capital, okay? There's just tons more cryptos. And when you get these, it seems like every week there's another $100+ million, $1 billion crypto that enters the top 100 as a meme coin, right? Where does all that capital come from? Well, guys, that's the whales being smart. They're quick flipping. They're shuffling in and out of new meme coins, riding the wave, and then obviously, guys, they're exiting and getting on to the next one, okay? It's how the game's played. We all know that. If you don't know it by now, then you really do need to evaluate your crypto kind of education, I should say. Anyways, but that's the world of meme coins. I don't consider Doge, SHIB, and Pepe an actual meme coin. I know that they don't, bring anything to the table such as AI, real-world utilization within tokenization, with assets, and outside of being used as a payment facilitator in some weird one-offs within a form of currency that's actually transacted, it's just essentially a toy when it's all said and done, okay? But that leads me to my article that I want to get into, and this is why we came here to talk SHIB, because the whales also know that SHIB is not dead, okay? 34 trillion has been scooped up, stabilizing above January 11th. We do have these sharp fall-offs and price declines. Whales are buying. Now, within this, okay, they found the support right now at 4020. If we talk about it more so, this is kind of where you have to look into kind of where We're seeing a new impending 6.5 billion in Bitcoin liquidation. That's kind of where the macro side of the game hurts meme coins more. It hurt Shiba Inu a hell of a lot when we had that, the unemployment numbers, as well as the talk from the Fed about cutting interest rates less. All that plays a role. All right. So if Donald Trump comes in the office and we have, a bullish little tailwind there from the good side of the macro argument, then SHIB, that will all be taken back because it has nothing to do with Shiba Inu. That's the difference between crypto and securities and stocks, right? They build internally, they have reports, they have earnings, and then investors trade on that belief. Within crypto, it's all speculation. What buying Shiba Inu right now, you're not even speculating on what SHIB does because SHIB technically does nothing. You're speculating on a long-term promise in a community that people are going to believe in something that, quite frankly, isn't anything in the first place. That's the beauty of crypto. That's why we love it. That's why it's so volatile, okay? But when Shiba Inu, we talk about this, guys, this is kind of what the whole kind of end-all be-all is the whales bought 34 trillion SHIB during this market dip. So that kind of leads to the argument that a nice floor has been established, right? Optimism within whales, that's where you hold 0.1% of the Shiba Inu supply. They dramatically increased during their net holding during this downturn. You can see it right here, guys, within these net flows within the blue line, and then obviously the price of Shiba Inu going down and net flows going up and stabilizing. That's what's important. That is the take home. It's right here, guys, right there staring us in the face. This blue kind of inversely related graph that does show and chart the moving of whales buying and the price going down. That's the big thing, right? Anytime you get a crossover, in my opinion, that's what lends to the argument that the price of Shiba Inu is going to be, in crypto for that matter, is being bet on, right? We saw this back in December, so slightly, that the net flow slightly ticked up, not as dramatically as back on January 7th, but then the Shiba Inu price subsequently dipped, and then boom, right back up and leaving investors at a very, very kind of dramatic fluctuation that resulted in gains in the short term. Okay. And that's kind of the thing. Whales are not marrying meme coins. Okay. They do from a premise that they're never going to quit trading the way they do, but they buy, they sell, they re-enter, they reestablish position. And then obviously, guys, they take profits and they rinse, wash, repeat. That's the name of the game. That's why transactional volume is so important within crypto. And yes, if you do hold and you don't trade and you believe in a non-tangible asset such as a meme coin, you are leaving yourself susceptible to the fact that you could become someone's exit liquidity. Okay, so that's what we got to see. If SHIB does break out, I think that we will get some consolidation. I agree with this fact, but we look into kind of the volume and where we're headed, right? That's kind of where you look into the macro side of SHIB giving us the most chance of having a breakout. Okay, we need to have some tailwinds come January 20th and beyond if we want to set ourselves up for a really good Q1, Q2 of 2025, which was what I had my eyes on in the first place in this kind of precursor to the alt and bull season. So that's what I'll leave you guys with. I appreciate you guys all tuning in. Give me a couple minutes of your time. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe right down below. Thank you guys once more, and we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.